drive this tuk-tuk and all? Which area?
In
I'm also in
in
Mumbai now.
local in a local, sir. Only local.
No, 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 no. I'm talking about which area you drive your tuk-tuk.
Well, I'm leaving Surat. Driving in Surat.
Oh, sorry, sorry. In Surat, yeah, yeah. You said
Yeah, yeah.
no. One thing you said you came to Mumbai once. No, I thought like you may be driving your tuk-tuk in Mumbai.
No, 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 sir. I really, I personally don't like Mumbai.
Personally, you don't like Mumbai.
Because there are, life is very fast out there. Life is very, very fast. And the
Yeah,
crowded
it's
place
very fast.
for gathering all around places. People don't have a time. People don't have a emotion to other. Even they
Yeah,
don't know who's living in our neighbor. They
yeah.
don't care.
They
People
don't
don't care. They're just only working. Only
minding
working.
their own
That
business.
mind their own business only. Well, that's not life. What do you think about that?
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's about. But same way, you are also being busy. No, you also don't have time to mind others' business. That's how it is.
I do have a time
Okay.
during, during my UTO, during my duty. I have a lots of time, sir, to take care of my friends, to take care of my family, to take care of
Okay.
other people.
No, but others, everybody is not like same as you. Know, your mentality is different. Helping others, very helpful. The one thing I appreciate, brother, all around means like worldwide. You have worldwide fans. People are calling you from worldwide, Canada, California, and some other places, the Philippines, Russia,
Yeah,
Iris.
yeah.
Amazing, man. Very nice. But the things when I check that prices, no, can believe
Mhm.
that course prices are quite high, man. Very high.
Yeah, yeah.
So nowadays it's a lockdown. I work in a passenger ship. My
Pass
last assignment in a passenger ship. Passenger ship.
ship.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
passenger.
yes.
So because there are different kind of ships are there, no?
Yeah.
Cargo, tanker. So
Mm-hmm.
mine is passenger ship. So
Passenger.
normally we are dealing in with the passengers, different passengers. They are like getting in, then 2 3 tours, like 1 week tour, then they are going away. Turnaround on turnaround means people are going out, and the same day new people are coming in. That's how
Mm-hmm.
it is.
So
So
it's only in India or you're going outside of the India?
no, 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 no. It's worldwide. World. It's roaming. A Princess. The brand of my ship is Princess.
Princess Cruise. I heard about it.
So I work in that Princess cruise. My last assignment was in Grand Princess.
Grand
Amazing
Princess.
ship. Yeah.
You know, I have a one friend. He was working in a ship, and the ship docked in America, and he went out. He left the ship. Well, now, right now, he's underground in America.
But the thing is, he must may not be having passport with him, because
Yeah,
the people
definitely.
who are roaming around in the America side, USA side, the
Hmm.
company take their passports, CDCs and all with them.
Yeah,
You won't be having your passports with you. The company will
mhm,
take it from you, because
yeah,
it's like the Indian people, everybody has a tend to get out of the ship and they stuck there somewhere doing job, not coming back
hmm,
to the ship.
yeah,
So that's why they take their passports everywhere. It's not only the Princess, some other companies like Royal Caribbean, the
hmm,
Costa,
yeah,
Cunard
yeah.
brands. They also, all the brands, they take the passports whenever the candidates are coming to US.
Hmm,
That time they take the passports from all the
hmm.
candidates.
So,
These
what do you
people are
think?
paying.
This is legal or illegal? What do you think about that?
That's completely illegal. If somebody is going out of the ship, from the ship
Hmm.
to land,
Yeah.
that's totally illegal.
Hmm.
They will face problem when they will come back to India. If they
Yeah.
don't have any passport, then they have to be answerable to the authority. Where
Yes.
is your
Yes.
passport? How have you lost your passport? If they start doing inquiry, they will come to know like this guy left from the ship. Then they will contact the agency or ship
Yeah.
authority.
Yeah.
He's stuck there. Then they will find them in such a way that suppose he has stuck there for 5 years, 2 3 years,
Hmm.
then they will
Yeah.
find them such a way that he has to pay all the money. No
Oh
use of
my.
working hard.
At that
So
time, you
that
was trouble, big trouble.
Disaster, man. Life becomes disaster at that moment.
Mm-hmm.
No use of working so hard for such a long time, no?
Yes, I see. I understand. But you know,
uh,
life is a risk. Life is a risk. If you are ready to take a risk, you will achieve what you want in your life. But
yeah,
although
but
it's
this
illegal,
cannot
yeah,
achieve.
it's illegal.
This is how you cannot achieve. If you have
Yes.
passports with you, if you have all your documents with you, still you're going to USA, then it's okay.
Yeah.
It's easier for you to come back again. Not
Mm-hmm.
much more, not much more trouble.
Mm-hmm.
When you come back, you will show all that them all to them like I have a passport, I have tickets. Then at the when you're coming back from USA, then not
Mm-hmm.
much checking. They don't check
Mm-hmm.
much. They
Yes.
will
Yes.
say they won't even seek your visa
Yeah.
because they will assume like how come this guy came? Definitely he must be having visa.
Yeah.
Where is visa? They will see the visa is there, but they don't check the timing, the
Mm-hmm.
validity of the visa. They don't see
Yeah.
visa. You have visa? No problem. Go. Ticket and visa, passport. That's it. Nothing much. So in that point of guys, time you are safe.
Mm-hmm.
That's how it is. But
So
if
you
you
have
don't have
completed.
passport, gone.
Yeah. So you have completed the world tour, sir. Am I right?
Yes.
You have done.
No, I roamed around as of now. I completed two contracts. In
Yeah.
two contracts, I roamed around three continents.
Three
Asia,
continents.
few more places.
Yeah.
Yes, I never went out of India. So I
Yes.
roamed around like Bangkok, Hong Kong,
Uh-huh.
like China,
Yeah.
Taiwan, all such places. Then Asian tour
Mm-hmm.
done. Then Australia, Sydney. I joined in Sydney, Diamond Princess. So
Yeah.
then we start sailing from Sydney.
Yeah.
From Sydney to like Melbourne, and then Sydney, then some other places. What is it called? Wellington, all such places. Then New
Mm-hmm.
Zealand,
New
Akura
Zealand.
Beach, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
all such places they roams around. Then they come back to Japan.
Yeah.
And Japanese passengers, you won't believe, guys, brother. Japanese passengers, they don't know how to speak in English, and they don't understand how to if somebody is communicating through English.
Yeah.
So, because of the Japanese passengers, I had to roam around in Japan for 4 months. 4 months of only Japanese port, only Japanese port. 4 months,
Yeah.
but amazing, very much amazing to stay there, to roam around in Japan. Very clean
Yeah.
area,
Uh-huh.
roadside, like every wherever you see, no dirt, no dirty spots, no dirty
Mm.
marks. Cars, vehicles are moving around in the road on the road. All are completely clean, completely
Mm.
clean. You feel like these cars, all these cars came out of the showroom just now.
Mm,
You
yeah.
feel so much clean. And if
That's why they are the number one, sir. That's why
number,
they
yeah,
have ethic, they have a
yeah.
rule of conduct. That's
And
the reason. Where are you right now, sir?
now I'm in Mumbai now. I just came to Mumbai.
Just came to Mumbai.
Yeah,
So
because
what's
I
the
feel
plan?
like I
How
might.
you have been staying in Mumbai?
I came on 2nd of September.
2nd of September.
2nd of September, yeah. The last 2nd of September.
And when your duty will start again?
The means I got an information like they might start again on April of next year.
April of next year.
Next year.
That's fantastic for you that you will enjoy your precious time in India and with family. That's
But
fantastic, sir. What is
but
it?
how can I enjoy now? Because in the here lockdown, no more. I work in the hotel industry as a waiter.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
hotel industry is not opened yet. Will open at
Yeah.
5th of October. Sorry, 5th
Mhm.
of September. But
Yes, yes, I
nothing.
see.
And they will delay opening that bars. They feel
Yes,
like
yes, yes.
alcohol might put these people to get into more to corona,
Yes, yes.
might get
I see.
affected corona through the alcohol. So that's why they've stopped the bar, delaying opening a bar.
Yes, yes. I see.
So
I see.
hell,
So
life is in hell now.
no, 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 sir. No, it will take time. It happen. This is the life, sir. This is called a real life. This
I've
is the
never been
situation we
panicked.
have to
I've
handle.
never been panicked yet because time. This is how the time works.
Yeah. This is how we can. Inshallah, everything will be fine. Inshallah, we can hope only, hope for the best only. And
Because
what's your purpose?
when
What's your
well,
purpose? You speak very well. You don't need to learn. Or well, you are improving. What's your purpose that you are improving your English?
the thing is what you know, in a remote area, in hometown, remote area. I am from Bengal, from West Bengal, Kolkata.
Yeah,
So the
yeah,
thing is what I'm much more passionate. I'm much more passionate to communicate through English, but I don't get a company. Don't get a proper company to communicate through English. In the
yeah,
hometown, like in remote area, it's totally tough to get a company. Very tough to get a company. And
yeah,
here also in Mumbai also my brother he works in the kitchen, but he's not much
mm,
fluent. And if I start
yeah.
communicating through English, he said, "Hindi में बोलो, जो बोलना है हिंदी में बोलो." It's like that. Then the other friends, I am the only one who works in service as a waiter
Yeah,
in this room.
yeah,
The rest
yeah.
everybody works in the kitchen. The rest
Yes,
everybody works in the kitchen.
yeah.
So kitchen guys, you can imagine like they are working at the back of the house, so they are not that much fluent. They are not that much skillful in terms of communicating
Yes,
through English.
yeah,
So if I cannot expect anybody to communicate through English to me with me.
yeah.
So how long will I start practicing by myself? So finally, I need a company to communicate through. So when
Yes,
I
yes,
saw your videos, I thought like, wow, best company. I got a best company, man.
yes, yes, yes. You can, you can.
But Cambly, how long means like how many pay you have paid yet
Well,
in Cambly?
I didn't pay anything yet. I didn't pay anything yet. You know, like
Then
I'm
what all these, teachers and all.
look, sir. The thing is, I share Cambly to I have a referral code. I share Cambly to my friend, my relatives, and the viewers who's watching my videos. Whenever they subscribe, I got some minute, like sometime 10 minutes, sometime 15 minutes. With these things, I'm using Cambly. So it's all are free. It's all are referral minutes. I didn't pay anything yet in Cambly. I didn't pay any single amount of money in a Cambly yet.
Okay, but then how you got all the American teachers, Lily and some other international teachers? Then how you got them in touch with you?
Well, I spoke with her only one time, single time only. I didn't spoke
Okay.
her with again. That's because of I really don't have. I'm not using Cambly at all right now, and even
But
I don't.
how you got her ID, Skype ID
Okay,
or
no, no. She don't have a Skype ID. When you subscribe, when you get subscription from Cambly, you will see a lots of people. You will see a lots of people. It depends on you with whom you're gonna speak with whom you're gonna talk with, whether she is from America, England, Netherlands, Britain. It's up to you. So I got her ID, and she was online at that time. I got an opportunity, and I talked with her. That's how that's how
but
it's
you
working right now.
but finally you subscribed Cambly.
No,
No,
no, sir. No, I didn't subscribe.
but still you
Like
got.
I'll give you an example. Okay, I share Scambly to my friend. Okay, I share Cambly like a WhatsApp. I share some application to my friend. When he subscribe, I got some free minute. When he spent some money, I got some minute.
Okay,
With
okay,
this
okay.
minute, I talk with Cambly. I talk in Cambly with people. That's only.
I got.
That's very simple, sir. You got it, my point?
Yeah, 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 I got it now. Now I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay,
But
so
I
that means
suggest you, sir. I suggest you. Cambly is very expensive, sir. Like they are charging $20
4,500.
for 1
My
hour.
God.
Yeah, it's
For
well,
15 minutes.
yeah, it's a worthless.
Yeah, but no use. No,
Yeah, no,
because the thing is, what my point of communicating is you are the best person to communicate through. But I want to improve on my accents, like
mm,
American accents, British
mm,
accents, all such accents. See, I'm an
mm,
Indian, so of course, wherever I keep on communicating, everybody will come to know this guy is Indian. The way he's
mm.
communicating, all his accent, no accents, no
But
accents. So that means I want to
well,
learn those accents.
does it feel shame? Like you are an Indian, sir. I really don't understand.
No, 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 no. Accent apart, accent apart. Of course, I feel proud to be an Indian. But
Mhm.
the thing is, what that accents. if that